Layla would be so mad if she heard that.
That looks brown. You know, narcissists actually tend to burp louder. Good morning, secretary.
That rhymes with...
Jazz, should we pop it into our drinks? Welcome back to a Jada video. Super awesome, super.
But I mean, I was against the trends.
You mean to someone. That's also not water because I knew I was gonna be thirsty, and then you just drink all my water, Ada. That's actually rude. Go get another one.
This is your drink.
I'm gonna get banned after that. You know what's so funny? Question. What do fish do? Blup, blup, blup. Pop.
You know what? TikTok doesn't let you show anything. I'm just kidding. Oh no.
Anyway, if I don't vape. Fucking lied to me. Fucking lied to me. Ignore that. Baby, that'll be fun. Excuse me. ASMR karaoke. I don't know what song to do next. I'm looking. It's like one of the older ones from like 6 fucking Boombaya. I know Boombaya. Does that make sense? What if I did another LMFAO song? Oh. Maybe I like Casanova. Check 1, 2. See, that's what happens when I try to cover it. It doesn't even fucking work. Whoops. Piece of shit. Wayfair furniture. Hey, guess what? Guess what? So gross. But thank you. Thank you for the donation. And asking such a...
Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me, sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me, sorry. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. Oh. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me, sorry.
That's so embarrassing. I think my neighbor is outside and I think my neighbor could have heard me burp.
Excusez-moi.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, sorry.
Okay, no, I was it. Anyways.
I swear.
I do. Is this watermelon cherry? Oh, and the club. Dude,
Ew.
looks deceive you. At least I'm cute.
Pussies.
What? Your right arm is like killing your leather. I know, I went to the beach. Really?
Excuse me.
What the fuck?
You know? Jesus Christ! Oh, it was the worst thing I've ever done. It was terrible. I literally felt like my insides were burning.